on this story. With that, viewers, we now shift our focus to some more breaking news coming in on the broadcast. What we are given to understand, a lorry rammed into an RTC bus on the national highway. Lorry driver has been dead and several others have been injured. This is a serious road accident being reported that took place near Mirjagoda in Chivela Mandal of Rangareddy district. A lorry travelling on the Hyderabad-Bejapur highway hit a RTC bus carrying 70 passengers. Several passengers were seriously injured in the incident and they were rushed to the Chivela Government Hospital. The police were also rushed to the spot and they are undertaking the rescue operations. In fact, the passengers stuck inside the RTC bus are being rescued. Aishwarya joins me to give us more details. Aishwarya, over to you. Help us with the latest updates.
So currently, we are learning that the death toll is likely to increase as the passengers are stuck inside the RTC bus after this lorry had rammed into it. And if you see the visuals clearly, the lorry is above the RTC bus, crushing the RTC bus, and the 70 passengers who were traveling in this particular RTC bus are still inside this particular bus, and the police are undertaking rescue operations to safely take them out of this particular RTC bus. Ambulance. What we're learning is that 17 of them are already dead and have lost their lives, and over 20 are injured, and they have been sent to the Chivela Government Hospital. The Telangana government has also taken note of this particular accident, has ordered that seriously injured victims should be shifted to the Hyderabad hospital, should be brought them to Hyderabad and should be given the best treatment possible. We are learning that the rescue operations is underway, and as this lorry was carrying concrete stones inside it, that is also one of the reasons why the people are severely injured, as when the lorry rammed into the RTC bus, all the concrete stones it was carrying also fell onto the ground and onto the people, hurting them even more, is what we are learning. So likely all the injured are being shifted to the hospital, and there are also measures undertaking for them to be shifted to better hospital facilities in Hyderabad as well. And what we're learning is that currently the death toll has reached to 17.
Right, as you're giving us the details that there have been 17 passengers who have lost their lives. We're also given to understand that the driver has also been killed. Now, it's not very clear whether it is the driver of the bus or the truck. Aishwarya, any clearance on that?
Yeah, the driver of the lorry driver has been killed, is what we have learned right now. He was immediately killed on spot immediately after the accident, and the driver of the RTC bus is injured, is what we are learning.
That's right.